Hi, and this is the end of the week recap. So the main trade was on Germany 30, which is very bullish intraday wise and like 50-50 on daily. So here how the chart look like before the trade. So as we discussed before, this is overall bullish market, as you can see, with recent bullish pushes and creation of impulse correction and impulses, breaking new highs, and breaking new highs. On 4 hours, we had like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, by the way, this is like a really big extension on 4 hours structure wise, but stock markets they tend to move a bit more impulsively, so this could be treated as a local reaccumulation here, especially on 1 hour. As you can see, we have reaccumulation and then new impulses, correction and impulses, so really bullish, and that's fine to try to enter once again. 15 minutes is the same in more details, so more local reaccumulations like here, and then creation of inside structure or supply demand zone 2.0, then bigger impulse, bigger correction, this absorption, and local or impulse correction and impulse on 5 minutes. And yeah, ideally the entry would be from here, but this entry is also fine. So on the new impulse correction and impulse I entered, the trade started to develop really nicely, and here this was 2R like this and it then just did this and went to 3R. Yeah, felt really mad about it. I really don't like this kind of trades. Yeah, and so then entered on gold. So gold looked something similar. So we have daily bullish recent structure built up, tap into the zone and started to move to the highs. 4 hours created this structure I discussed in the previous videos. Again, impulse correction and new impulse on 1 hour. On 15 minutes, breaking out of the sideways movement here with really nice impulse correction and impulse, really clear. And then just new impulse, correction and impulse. Also, the trade started to develop more or less fine, but then it just went to stop loss, and that's all. So this was, I guess, my first week. Let me check when I tried to follow like the maximum quality of the trades. So I had much less trades on the week. The quality was fine, the quality was better compared to when I allow myself to trade B quality setups. However, I don't know, maybe it's just luck, or maybe I was a bit late, or maybe I was focused on my side work. So yeah, hard to tell, but I feel the potential of this kind of trading is less stressful. And 5 minutes, yeah, they automatically take a lot of entries away, even though the difference might not be as big, like 5 minutes compared to 1 minute, but I automatically have less entries here. And it's good. I had 1 or 2 trades that ran to 2R and then reversed back, so these were if I was following 2R, yeah, they would give me some profits, and I kind of know that, but now I decided to move a bit higher. Because why? Because if I'm following the A quality setups, they usually give better moves, so they will usually go to 2R and above, and these 2 trades, of course they will happen as well, but not as much. So I guess on the scale of 100 trades I will see better. And for my current funding challenge, I have drawdown of 7%. So for the next week, I will reduce the risk a little bit, so to come up from this drawdown. So instead of risking 1%, I will risk maybe 0.6%, and then I will see. Yeah, and this one, oh, this were these previous accounts, and this one looks like this right now. So from the the beginning, I went into the profit. I mean, it's a bit strange. Strange that zero is here. They changed the graph a bit, so it went to the profit, to break even, then to the profit, and then slowly into drawdown, almost to break even, and slowly to more drawdown. Yeah, I need to start crawling back from this. Okay, so see you in the next one.